What's going on, YouTube? Hope you guys are all doing great today. I am back. Feeling good, feeling solid. Been training last week. Had an amazing weekend. I went to Toronto and ate my life away. It was awesome. Sometimes you just need that. You just gotta dive down, eat, and everything, and just enjoy life as what's to offer. Yeah, now we're back on the grind, and just kind of making sure you take breaks is important. Making sure you go and be consistent, making sure you're going and focusing and realizing and rechecking your goals. I've been reading a really amazing book right now. I'm gonna put it somewhere. I don't have it on me right now, but it's called You Are the Mountain somewhere. It's about self-sabotage. It's actually a very, very interesting book. I didn't realize how much resistance I have with myself, because it talks a lot about the psychology, about humans in general just really wants to be comfortable, even if that means compromising on your goals, giving you resistance or uprooting or all these different things. It's such an interesting book, and that's what dives down today in this little topic, is just being consistent, right? I really love YouTube. I really can see myself building a YouTube channel. I really always wanted to work for myself as well too. I've always wanted to build an amazing team and just enjoy life and offer people opportunities. And on top of it, maybe because I'm too scared or something, I'm not too sure what it is, but I'm gonna figure that out once I get through the book. But yeah, really amazing book right now. We are on our way through Muay Thai, though. We're gonna talk a little bit more about this later on. Yeah, gonna be really, really exciting. I'll see you guys in a bit.
It's time to start training.
So, all done. Oh. Back here from Muay Thai, and so just back here, just want to share with you guys a little bit of a tidbit, just totally different concept of the video this time around. I want to talk to you guys about self-improvement. I'm a huge supporter, huge proponent of this. I'm always trying to figure out different ways of how to improve my life in a positive way, and then that way I can go and focus on my goals and getting to my goals, right? Growing up, I grew up in an immigrant family home, and we weren't taught all these things about finances, how to deal with stress, all these different things, all the tools. I was just told to go and study hard and find a safe and stable job and work my 9 to 5 and live off a paycheck that's safe, right? And I wasn't told of all the risk, all these different things, how to deal with possibly building your own business, all these different things I had to learn for myself. And I'm a huge proponent of this. And one book that I was just telling you guys a little bit about earlier was this one, The Mountain Is You, Transforming Self-Sabotage into Self-Mastery. I found this book actually on TikTok, and I was just a random person that was reading off a part in the book, and I bought the book right away, right when I saw that TikTok video. And so far, I'm only 2 chapters in. I'm loving it so far because it just goes deep into something right away, talking about little different things. I stopped reading the book just because one of the chapters in here was talking a little bit about disorganization that causes resistance and self-sabotage, right? So I'm cleaning up my actual area, how I usually clean, just how I have my things. And so I'm trying to declutter everything so that way it takes away the stress. It's important, right? So I'm always trying to learn and grow, and I always want to share with you guys this book because I actually find this book very, very insightful so far. And I'm not at the end yet, but I will be very soon. But I'm excited to share with you guys more a little bit as I read along with this. But again, 2 chapters in, I'm already loving it, and I found very useful things from this as well too. That talks about resistance, when you're trying to do something and you just can't seem to get to your goals, right? And then so it talks about clarity, it talks about how to get past that, right? So I think these are important skills, and I wish I had this when I was younger, because I could just love to have somebody just telling me, or if I can find this on YouTube and just kind of just have it in there and then read this and go along with this, and that way it improves my life in a positive way. So making this video just because for that specific reason, in case of somewhere out there, someone will find this and will pick up this book as well too from Amazon, and then that way they will just improve their lives in a positive way. And it's just a way of me paying this forward. I hope you guys really appreciate this. I hope you guys have a chance to go pick up this book as well too. Check it out on Amazon. I personally love it. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. It means a lot.